Peppermint Twist is one of my favorite teas that I'm drinking right now. And then also Tigger and Pooh. And I like to drink those by themselves. I also like to drink them together. In the morning, I might mix some Tigger and Pooh with my Peppermint Twist. And at night, just drink Peppermint Twist. Or in the morning, just drink Tigger and Pooh. And I make it a latte. It's super good. So they're great by themselves and they're fantastic together.
Two teas I picked was the campfire chai and the butter pecan. The campfire chai I like a lot because it reminds me of home. It's a really smoky, deep flavor. Butter pecan is like a really cinnamon flavored, oolong, smooth tea.
And then my favorite has been cranberry apple tart. I like to make it iced with agave, and it just tastes like fall in a cup to me, like very apple cidery. So butter pecan oolong has been my all-time favorite since it's come out. I really like to make it just really strong in the morning because it gives me a lot of energy throughout the day, and it's just one of my most favorite to add with like milk and agave.
I like the pumpkin spice chai because pumpkin, it just matches the time in the fall and it's just warm, it makes you feel good. And then also the detox chai, just the chai spices kind of at that time of year. They remind you of fall. And
So two of my favorite teas to drink at this time of year, one of them's Tigger and Pooh. It's just very energizing and it has a great taste to it. And the other one is pumpkin spice because I like